Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
We begin this evening with a developing major story. 4 people, including a woman, have been arrested for Friday's brazen daylight robbery of a beryllium courier vehicle at Scotiabank in Mandeville, Manchester.
Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey gave the update at a press conference in St. Catherine today. The police have recovered $2.5 million Jamaican dollars from the criminals.
Kelisha Williams reports.
Several suspects were taken into police custody after the daring heist in Mandeville, Manchester, which left several persons injured on Friday. Fast forward a few days, and on Wednesday, Deputy Commissioner of Police in charge of crime, Fitz Bailey, said there has been a major breakthrough.
We are conducting a high-level investigation in that matter, and at this time I can report that we have arrested 4 persons, including a female, and we have recovered so far over $2.5 million Jamaican dollars.
The police have not disclosed how much money the robbers managed to steal, but a cell phone video showed men with high-powered weapons escaping with 2 large bags believed to be cash. Many Jamaicans have also been questioning how criminals across the island have been able to target the same courier company so many times since the start of the year. Residents and the business community in Mandeville are also on edge since the attack.
That act, which I consider is something that is bordering on terrorism, when you can, at that time of the day, without any form of provocation, fire your weapon carelessly, injuring at least 5 people. 2 were seriously injured by that shooting. But we commit, as an organization, the JCF commit ourselves to ensure that this matter is properly investigated, and all those persons who are responsible will be brought to justice.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.
And the police...